Hello again, students, and welcome to the next lesson using Autodesk Inventor. And I failed to mention in the first video that this is version 2018. And I've already opened the software, but you're looking for that orangish, brownish eye icon. And you can find that under your PLTW icon. But without further ado, let's begin. Remember, you're going to open up your interface and you'll probably see a window that looks something like this, and it doesn't have so many boxes. At this point, maybe it only has one. Just close this. Who needs it? We'll just go to the new standard IPT, create, and this time we're going to create a cylinder. And once this pop-up window has opened, you can see you can adjust the size of this interior window. And what I'm doing is adjusting this window so that I can get my hands or my cursor on this rotation cube, which will become very important for navigation. And you can click it. It goes to front view, and then you can rotate your objects. Front view, right view, home, gives you an angle view, and then click back to front view. And then you start to create your object. So I'm going to start a 2D sketch. And in this case, since it's a cylinder, I mean, I have no problem with you starting on the XZ plane, because what I want to do is draw a cylinder and then extrude it up. So I did a cylinder, and then I'm going to start in the center, just stretch it out. It's going to be just 1 inch. So I go 1, enter, and that gave me a circle with a diameter of 1 inch. And again, you can customize this to any size. If you hit escape, have your hand by the escape key all the time. It'll help you work with this software, because what you do is hit the escape key several times, and then you can move to a new tool. And in this case, I want to change that dimension, let's just say. So I hit escape, which I did, and now I can double click on the number and change it, let's say, to 2 inches. Okay, and then that indeed is not really the size I want. So again, hit escape with your little finger, then you just go back to the dimension here and double click it again, and I'm going to put it back to 1, enter. And now I have a circle, and then I'm just going to make a cylinder 3 inches tall out of this. So I go finish sketch and then extrude, and if I roll with my mouse wheel out, you can see there's one thing you can do is drag the cylinder, and it'll tell you how long this is becoming. However, I'm just going to enter 3 for 3 inches and then hit enter. And so I should have a 1 inch diameter by 3 inch tall cylinder. And again, you can click the front of these cube. You click it, click front, then you can rotate it around. You can see that's top view, that's right view. Click these arrows, that's front view, and then angle view. And with this said, use your pan tool maybe to move it a little bit to the left. But that's simple. I'll call it the round peg. So save it, click File, Save As, Save As, and then name it. ROUND-PEG, round peg. Going in my downloads folder, make sure you're putting everything in one folder. Save. And then to turn in the file, you just go File, Export, Image, export as PNG. It's going into my downloads folder. Remember, this is the image you're creating. Save. All right, then I'll go back and check my downloads folder. And you can see round peg. Here's the image. And that's the one you'll want to turn in. Good luck.